is Scott Ragg. I'm a tax managing director in New England, and I lead nationally our tax operations practice. Today I'd like to talk about some of the challenges that corporate tax departments face from our viewpoint. It really falls into three areas. It's financial reporting, tax compliance, tax returns, and then probably most importantly, tax planning and strategy. It's a real blend of tax expertise as well as tax accounting expertise. And that's very challenging for a corporate tax department to hire, because that's a lot of skill sets in one person. So that's why the co-sourcing model sometimes makes a lot of sense, because you can go to a firm and access all of that different expertise without having to hire someone internally. When it comes to the tax return process, I think the number one challenge that all companies face is utilizing the data that was compiled and calculated in the tax provision, because a lot of effort went into the tax provision, and you don't want to start all over when you do the tax return. So that's a key challenge, is putting the automation and systems in place so that it'll never work seamlessly, but to have it work as seamlessly as possible to get from the tax provision to the tax return. Many companies don't find time to plan because they're so bogged down with the compliance aspects, the reporting, financial statement reporting, as well as tax return reporting. So to streamline that process allows the corporate tax department to spend much more quality time in planning and strategy, as well as where co-sourcing can also be a help in the planning cycle is the corporate tax department might identify an initiative that takes quite a bit of effort to implement. And rather than hiring up to implement that strategy, you can co-source with a firm, and that firm can provide the resources to get that strategy implemented. If you have any questions or need any information about our co-sourcing and tax process improvement practice, please feel free to contact me or any of my colleagues.